Welcome to Photoshop Project 2, the Bernie Saunders Baby Yoda combination project. In this project, you'll take an image of Bernie Saunders with mittens and an image of Baby Yoda Grogu and combine it with some other image and alter all three images so that they look identical and so that the image doesn't look Photoshop. You can use either the Baby Yoda image that I've provided and the Bernie Saunders image I've provided, or combine any three images of your own. The lesson has a zip download file you can click on and get all three files at once. Master in this project has a new element. Not only should you not have any sharp edges, you should have a uniform color palette, brightness and contrast among all the layers, but you also will have to make sure that all three images are scaled correctly and positioned correctly. That's it for Photoshop Bernie Saunders Baby Yoda, project number 2.